Hello and welcome to another video of ZBrush Basics. In this video I'm going to cover the Sculptris Pro mode, and this is a very efficient tool that actually quite different than Dynamesh. So basically what happens in Dynamesh, you can simply add the information, add the more details, and then you can then simply Dynamesh it. So I'm just turning off and I'm just clicking on this. So in Dynamesh you can add any information, sculpt anywhere, and then you can simply drag outside to add the more details, add the number of polygons. Now, but the problem is that it has also deleted my fine skin details that I had made here. So here I had made some wrinkles, etc., and that actually completely erased, because Dynamesh actually affects the whole body. So it just adds the same number of polygons to the whole face and whole body, and that's why. And when I want to add number of polygons and details to any specific section, then Dynamesh doesn't help. So in that case, the new tool has been introduced by ZBrush, that is Sculptris Pro mode. So in this tool, actually you can simply add the custom details to specific areas. Like, as you can see, I'm adding details to upper eye area, and you can see I'm adding also a polygon. So you can see I'm increasing the number of polygons by adding the details. I'm adding the, and when I click on the polyframe mode, you can simply see that the polygon density has been changed. So polygons has been increased where I added the more details. Like when I added the wrinkles, it just increased the detail, but it does not affect it the other areas where I don't want it to be, right? So that's how actually Sculptris Pro modes work. So actually it comes very handy when you want to add some custom details. When I want to add wrinkles, fine skin details, like here, so as you can see, wherever I'm adding these fine details, it will just add the polygons to compensate the details. Now when I turn on the polyframe mode, you can see as I'm sculpting, it is adding the polygons automatically, but it is not affecting the other areas where I'm not sculpting, not adding the details. So this is a quite advanced tool and comes very handy when you are using very complicated models, complex object, when you don't want to add excess number of polygons. Another thing is that it also optimizes your scene, because at some point you may end up with more than 20-30 million polygons, and in that case ZBrush start giving the issues and start freezing and crashing out. So it is always good to remain inside your polygon limit. So this tool helps you to stay inside your polygon limit. Like you can optimize your model by adding the details wherever it is needed, instead of increasing the polygons overall the body. You can also simply reduce reduce it. You can simply reduce the density of polygons by simply smoothing out. So when you smooth it out, it just averages the vertices and reduce excess amount of polygons. So as you can notice, in that way I can add the required detail to only specific part of the body instead of increasing the resolution of whole object. And that's where this tool comes very handy. I can add horn. So like if I want to add horn, I can simply add that, and you can notice that it adds the polygons here, but it does not affect the whole body. And here also I can add the details, like I can keep sculpting here, and as my brush strokes goes, it just adds the polygons to compensate the details I am putting out. So this is a quite interesting tool, and I would suggest you to experiment with this. So now think about that. If it was a dynamite, then if I want to get that density of polygons to add this kind of fine details. Like if I want to add the skin details, like let's say I want to add the skin pores, so I will have to go and click on the alpha, and when I add the details, you can see as I am reducing my brush stroke, it is just adding the same amount of details. And when I turn on the polyframe mode, you can see the density around the cheek where I have added skin pores have been increased very drastically, but the density on the other areas remains unchanged. So that's how you can optimize your model, and you can keep working on the object and add the number of polygons wherever needed. So feel free to use this tool and experiment with it. And that's it for this video. I would like to comment on that this is a very interesting tool, and you should use it on many occasions. Like when your object is complicated and getting complex, then it is quite handy to use it. So feel free to use it, and if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe the channel so that you can receive all the updates. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you can receive notification whenever I upload the video. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you into the next video. All right. So this video comes handy, and let me know if you have any comment so that I can help you out in the comment section below. Till the time, good luck and keep sculpting.